you guys. Welcome in. Check it out. If you are ready to travel with your child this summer and you have been putting it off, you've been canceling all these years because the child is either neurodivergent, extremely sensitive, uh, triggered by different things, will have meltdowns, whatever. These organizations are the answers to your prayers. Why? Because they actually offer practice sessions. What do I mean by that? I mean, you literally go to these practice events and they take you step by step, walking through the actual process of traveling by planes, of traveling on cruise ships, of even staying in hotels. Now, especially the planes practice events, they definitely do it at least once a year. There's several of them all over the world. And you can sign up as many times as you need to help your child feel comfortable. These are what these practice events are all about. Practice means preparedness. This is not about practice makes perfect. It's practice means preparedness. Autism double checked, autism flies, wings for all, wings for autism. They all do these flight practice events where you literally go through every aspect of traveling on planes. And I'm talking check-in, checking your bags, going through TSA, being checked, having to take off your backpack or your shoes or whatever, going through the boarding process where you have to sit and wait for a while, listening to all these unexpected loud announcements and things of that nature. You have to actually get on the plane, wait your turn, get on the plane, and then you will sit and listen to the announcement, the safety announcement from the staff that's on the plane. Some planes actually even do the practice taxi where they taxi down the runway, but they do not take off. You guys, this is a game changer for families who are just frozen in fear, who have been missing out on all these lifetime memories. These are memories you cannot get back. Here's a way to start engaging. Here's a way to start being a part of that. If you're wanting to go on cruises, Autism on the Seas actually offers free cruise tours where you do the same thing. You go through the practice of going through um, presenting your travel documents and your passport and whatever, and receiving a cabin number, pretend, of course. You board the ship, you get a tour of the ship, you will actually have lunch is served, I believe, but you get a whole tour. You get to feel it and experience it before actually paying your money to do it, is what I'm saying. This is a game changer for all of you all you families with neurodivergent kids. That means autism, ADHD, Down syndrome, epilepsy, OCD, PTSD, Tourette's, any of those diagnoses. If you have a child who has unresolved trauma, that is also a neurodivergent diagnosis because all of those diagnoses change the brain. Remember that. This is a perfect way to get them used to traveling, get them prepared for the unknown, to get them familiarized with what to expect. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. I hope you guys sign up. And I can help you if you need extra hand holding or whatever. I'll put my Calendly link in there. You can sign up for a session. I can literally help you walk you through what's going to happen, what you're going to get, and even help you sign up for one of the sessions. And again, remember, if you missed a session in your state or city or whatever, you can sign up for another one somewhere else. Yes, it's okay to do that. So again, I'll put the links in the description box to get you through all of these processes. And again, a link for my Calendly, and you can reach out to me and I can take you one-on-one, have a one-on-one session, and we can go through these things together. You guys, do not miss out on this. Do not miss out on this. This should have been out a long time ago, but thank God it is now. Okay? Hope to hear from you soon. You guys have a great rest of your day.